4 days for us to build a product, and our lead time back then was about 14 days to our customers. We said, look, right here in this, I think it's chapter 4 or something, here's the better way to do this. Guess how fast we were able to build a product? 45 minutes.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight is presented by Boeing. Welcome to SEL. Thank you for coming to Pullman, and thank you for being willing to stop by our facility. Our mission is to make electric power safer, more reliable, and more economical.
The products that we manufacture here in this building are a lot of protective relays for transmission, for generation.
Pretty much any major generator, user, or company that moves electric power is a customer that could benefit from our devices. As you get out on the production floor, you're going to see employee empowerment, short feedback loops, making problems visible.
Since SEL was started, we've designed and developed over 700 different unique circuit boards. We have a lot of variety in what we build, and automation helps make sure that we're building them correctly every time.
So one of the challenges that we face is having look-alike parts. We have 4 components here that look almost identical.
Everything you see in pink is currently being placed by hand. And this machine back here is going to be our machine that we're using to do a lot of this new automation for us.
People learn how to run the automation, how to program the automation, how to maintain the automation equipment, right? And so there's career opportunities that are grown through that.
All the boards are now completely built, they are tested, they're ready to go. I'll put the right settings in there, we'll put the right firmware in there, so when they get the unit, they can plug it in and it should work well. And then we drop test all those units to make sure that when it does to the customer, if FedEx drops it 6 or 7 times, it's still gonna work. It takes anywhere 4 to 6 hours now with all the product lines building certain product families.
This is called Flying Probe, and the reason being is because it has 4 probes on the top and bottom that fly around the board. What this test has offered for us is it's allowed us to improve our test coverage to almost 100%.
This is our product hospital. Any device that comes in, we're going to repair what we find wrong with it. We're also going to add updates.
We have never charged a customer for a repair, ever.
We want to do business the way our mothers would want us to, and that is something we live by.
We've never had a layoff, right? We've never laid anybody off.
And you're employee owned.
And we're employee owned, absolutely.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Boeing.